Ultimate World Cruise Tea Time. I'm John, your virtual world cruiser. It's day 105. Let's talk. Lord, I'm exhausted after a 7 hour and 10-minute live today, making borscht for my Ukrainian event tomorrow. Big success. It is done, portioned out to 56 different portions to gather funds for the Ukrainian people tomorrow at, I forget where I'm going, but it's a long day. The foundation that I am supporting is linked in my link tree. It's the first link, Liberty Ukraine. Please consider checking it out, giving a donation. Every dollar helps. Now, to thank you to everyone who joined me and stayed around for a significant portion of my lovely 7 hour and 10-minute live. TJ, Jekka, like Becca, my sister, Dawn, Tam and Bobby was there. Elena, was it Vically for Marty, Moody Mermaid. I've got another video I will thank you properly and tag everyone. Today we got the footage that we've all been waiting for, tracking the laundry room drama. There is suspense, chaos, betrayal, and chocolate. Enjoy.
It was time to break into the laundry room. Dressed as, I don't know, John Bon Jovi, Tam, Chrissy and I's mission was to break into all of the 3 laundry rooms. You look amazing. You need to, like that. We needed to be quiet, stealthy, and not get caught by Dad Joe, who was on the lookout. Joe cancelled my card. Oh, no. The mission, again, was to be quiet, stealthy, and subtle. So, in rocks Chrissy with her very subtle outfit. Why do you look like a young Dolly Parton?
Don't be frightened. Hello. Hello. Nice to see you. Might be memento.
Oh, you can't come in.
Oh,
Sorry.
Okay, with the level 7 laundry room ticked off, it was time to go to level 8.
Stop. What are you doing there for?
Cabin crew mix. I was supposed to be on Dad's side, Team Joe, but then...
Now look.
Oh, yes, absolutely. I will do anything. One more cabin cream egg, and I'm yours. Then we made our way to the final laundry room on deck 3, where Dad Joe was waiting for us. Oh, that was so aggressive. You are so aggressive.
Oh, Tam's going to take you out, mate. Tam's going to take you out.
Shut the door! Open the click! Yay! I mean, stop! I haven't helped. I tried so hard. You didn't even let me finish that sentence before you started laughing. I'm so sorry to have let you down. I do need, am I able to get a laundry room card though?
Because you're my assistant.
Yes.
Here's the laundry room card.
Where does this get me access to?
Any of the laundry rooms, 3, 7, or 8.
And
Is it?
Give me a hug.
Oh, that was spectacular. So worth the wait. Tam's outfit is spectacular. Oh, it's so good. And Chrissy, just so inconspicuous. The betrayal, the chocolate. Now, let's go over to Dad's reaction.
Hey kids, what a day. I was betrayed by my wife. And Chris
I have no regrets. Cadbury's win every time.
and Kristen Hall, as they let Chrissy and Tam break into the laundry room. Don't know what I'm
You
going
know
to
I
do.
already bought Christian off, right? You know I can't be more. No, let's go. You can't do this.
This is what I found in the laundry room. Who's Dad here? As my career now sunsets into the sea, I was betrayed by Kristen and Audrey over chocolate. Where did I go wrong? I know I should have bought Cadbury chocolates in Australia too, and bribed Chrissy not to go into the laundry room. Or better yet, I recruited Bobby to help me. She would have been strong against Tam's persuasive chocolate. Don't know what I'm going to do. Wait, only one thing I can do, and that is go and resign.
Oh no.
And I wasn't there. Yeah. I felt really bad. Yeah. I seen people leaving the laundry in the laundry commission. Yeah. And then Chrissy taking drinking, Christian and Tam broke up the laundry room.
That's just the other thing, you know.
So I have to resign.
You'll send it. You're handing it over to me.
Because
I will find somebody new.
Yeah. They have to be self-appointed though.
They have to be.
Yeah.
I'll keep the badge for now.
Yeah. All right.
Very good.
I'm sorry. So I recommend Mark Sebastian come back and take it.
We will interview him first, and then let's see how it goes.
All right. And he could probably get a toss like high five or something like that.
Okay.
Spectacular. I'm sorry, Dad. The betrayal, the treachery, the retirements. Let's get Mark Sebastian back, be the laundry monitor. With Tide Pods as a sponsor. Let's go over to Chrissy 50 and Cranky, waiting for that 3 million views to roll in at a very special spot.
Okay, so I've been looking for Christine, and I think I know where she's gone. And
What are you doing, Joanne?
oh, Christine, I knew it. What are you doing?
Well, apparently this is where you get your 3 million views from, so I'm just waiting for my... I'm waiting for the views.
I can't.
Oh.
I'm lost for words. 3 million views, fuckers. 3 million. Let's do it.
3 million views. I think we can get that with that video because it's great. It just falls out the window. Off the windowsill. Oh, I love her. I'm going to miss her so much. Oh. Do you know one of our Ultimate World Cruisers has a book? I didn't know that. Learned about it in Chrissy's recent post. Here is the book I'm talking about. Christian Hall, Leave Me Alone, a memoir of me, myself, and Trish. Written in 2021. Chrissy was listening to it on Audible. I'm going to go purchase that on Audible as well. And I'm going to have a link in my linked tree for this book. Go check it out. Give it a review. Okay, this is a bit of a long video. After a 7-hour live stream, I'm exhausted. I'm going to do some brief editing, get this posted, and I've got one other video to do. It's pictures, so it'll be quick and easy. Yeah, thank you for turning my live. Thank you for watching this. Hope everyone has a fantastic morning, afternoon, evening. Talk to you again tomorrow.